Yeah, we ain't gonna last long out here. Getting heat up. It's pretty exciting. Whoa, 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 whoa. Woohoo! We finally stepped out and got something that we have to have if you're full-time.
Yep.
Scared? We're a little nervous about it.
Nervous.
You gotta learn a lot. There's so much to learn.
It's all new. It's all new.
Everything's new.
Everything.
I'm super excited about it.
Yeah. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be so good. We got a lot to learn.
We got so much to learn. There's dials.
Gas. Don't forget you gotta load the gas.
We got the gas. So that's something we got to figure out. There's just so much to do.
You gotta use it.
Yeah, got to use it if you're gonna make it worth your money.
All right. Are we ready to show them?
We're
let's show them for sure.
all right. We're super excited to show you guys
what we did.
Show them. That's right. We bought a Blackstone. You can't RV without it. That's what we've been told, and we bought one.
Woohoo! Stay tuned to some cooking magic that's going to happen on this 22-inch grill. The Blackstone.
Blackstone.
Read the instructions?
Probably not.
We don't read instructions.
I'm doing it for the film.
He doesn't. We don't read instructions.
Let's get grilling.
Let's get grilling. We don't have the rig, but we have a Blackstone.
This work is not making me sweat. I just got done working out, and it's still probably like 85, 90 degrees here, and there's no wind back here other than my ceiling fan.
But look at us Following directions. Reading instructions.
We're rule followers.
But we don't usually read instructions.
Right.
And for the lid. This model came with a lid and legs. And we went with the 22 inch because of reviews we've read and people have said it's the right size. And this model also came with a hose to get to a full-on tank. So we have the little one for...
Alright, what's next?
Oh, back to instructions. Alrighty.
Dun dun. Dun. Alright, let's see. Oh, it just
Just sits on top, yeah.
I didn't know they had the smaller things going on.
And then this guy hangs in the back. Just scrape all your grease back there after you. Lift her up, let me see. Thanks, Dana. That one won't be going with us. This one. So today we're taking our steps to get our Blackstone griddle. Get our Blackstone griddle seasoned. So we can have years of enjoyment. That's what all the YouTube videos say.
Using the soap and water for the first and last time.
First and only
Time. Anyway, doesn't seem like you need to do a whole lot.
We decided to go with the oven method. So our oven is preheat 450. How many times are we going to do it?
3 times.
3 times for
30 minutes.
30 minutes, 3 times. And we're going to use avocado oil or extra virgin olive oil, either way.
So do we wait till the stove gets completely up to 450, or do we just start it?
You probably can get the oil on, I would think.
I think so too.
Oh, he's grabbed the
I'm gonna put it over there.
EVO.
You want to come over there?
Safety. Safety, safety. Okay, so you're doing the extra virgin olive oil,
Yep.
not the avocado oil.
That's what I'm gonna try. It says you don't need a lot, so just a thin layer. We'll see if that's the case. Yeah, they say it'll you'll have some smoke, so we'll see if our fire alarm goes off. This thing seems to be a little bit sensitive, which I guess I can't complain.
And it's also right off the kitchen, the fire alarm. We might have to change it up. All sides, inside and out. house is so smoky right now. I'm surprised the smoke alarm is not going off. Really.
New gloves. You're going to test them how they handle the heat.
Safety first.
First, definitely safety first.
Get ready. Just 3 times, so
3 times.
I'll speed through that for you so you don't have to watch every minute. But anyway, back into the oven. Alright, so checking in, what do you think?
Well, it looks good. But I've never done it before, so I don't know why it would look bad. So we're getting ready to put the 3rd coating of olive oil on it.
3rd and final.
3rd and final. I think we're only do that, right? Should be enough.
We're only going to do 3.
We're only going to do 3.
It's still smoking. I know you can't see that, but it is still smoking.
Which probably not a shocker. It's probably meant to, get burned all the way off. So, all right. Yeah.
Careful, careful, safety, safety. Ooh, look how pretty she looks.
She does look good though.
Man, that's gonna cook some mean meals. It definitely didn't form that heat zone, that H.
Yes, I agree.
Which the little gas, the 22-inch that we bought has 2, what are these called? Areas where it's like the shape of an H. Burners, yeah. So it is getting more of an even seasoning here. So does that matter? I don't know.
I don't know.
It's Florida and it's real feel 100 degrees outside, so we're just inside with the air conditioner and a 450 oven on. So is it really any different? Probably not.
Yes,
but,
it is.
Oh.
I think that's it.
Be careful.
Going back in. Oh, it's just pretty.
That is so pretty.
Pretty.
Yeah. How can we mess up cooking on that thing?
Okay, season's done, so expect a video soon of us cooking our first meal on the Blackstone. My beautiful wife will be, I'm sure, using her skills to cook up something nice. Just kind of curious. I could see some bacon, eggs, and hash browns right now. So.
And smash burgers. We watched a video on some smash burgers, so that would be tasty. And vegetables. I gotta learn how to stir fry some vegetables. This Blackstone came with the lid, so I definitely want to get some zucchini and peppers on there. Anyway, looks good. I like that we did the oven.
Yeah, it's really, really, really clean. So
Yeah, it looks beautiful.
looks great.
Look at that thing. So seasoned. Looks good, looks good. Anyway, that's that.
All right, that's our big news.
Big news.
We bought a Blackstone.
Made a purchase.
Yeah, one step closer.
One step closer. And make sure you like this video. If you have a Blackstone, if you used a Blackstone, leave us a comment. Tell us what your favorite recipe is, or send me a link so I can get some ideas what to cook.
Yeah, and hit that subscribe and that notification bell.
Yeah.
So you'll see the next time we put a video out, which should probably be some cooking on this one.
Yum.
All right.
All right, till next time. Seatbelts on.
Seatbelts on.